So display document. So what are the entries that we have posted? We can see, right, FB03. There are two options. One is here, okay, our company code. DRLB fiscal year 2013. See, I can give number here. I can look at the particular document.
Okay.
Right. And if you can see this one, and if you want to see the line item, just double click on the line item. You can go to the line item level. So whenever, right, like this, again you can come back. Like that, any document you can enter the number, you can see. Or if I want to see all the documents, in such case, don't enter any number. Click on document list. Click on document list. Right. And here my document type, whatever the document type that we have entered, created is SCA document. Right. Double that, enter the document type SCA, execute. Right. You can see all. See, for example, even if you don't enter SCA, nothing happen. Right. Just execute. System will ask, right, specify another section selection criteria. You can bluntly say, I don't have any selection criteria. Press enter. Then it will take whatever the document type that are available, system will show you. See, you can see the documents here.
Okay.
Okay, any document, whatever you want, you can just double click on the document. You can see the entry. Right. Now, I want to make some change. In SAP, what changes we can make? Let us see. Come out. Change is FB02.
What does this FB stand for?
No stands. Only transaction code, that's all. F stands for financial accounting.
Okay.
Right. Now, see, we are in the change mode. Right. Double click on the document number. And if you want to make any change, double click on the line item. See what changes we can make. If you double click, see only these three line items can be changed. Nothing more than this. By changing these things, are you going to have any effect? Absolutely. Major effect is not going to be there.
Yeah.
You cannot change your jail account. You cannot change your company code. You cannot change the amount. You cannot change the business area. Only value date can be changed. It is not going to have an effect. Assignment number, that is whatever the information, additional information that you have given, that can be changed. And this can be telephone expenses, right, paid. So instead of that, I write telephone expenses paid for, say, July 2013. I have changed. I can change only this much. All major fields are, see, by default SAP, for the sake of security, they made like this, right? No major changes can be made. And what happens if you made a mistake in the amount itself? In such case, now I cannot change anything. I have to pass a rectification entry, or I have to reverse it, post the new entry. Only that can be done. Right? How to do that? We'll see later. We have a reversal topic. Right? If you, after making the change, just save it. So document number 4, we made a little change. Come back. And here, display changes FB04. See, only document number 4 is changed. Press enter. Right, here double click on changed on 29th, right? Further double click, get date 29th, who changed by whom? Anand. Field changed on field name, that is BKPF, and it is giving the name. Text field changed, right? Old one, right? DFDL expenses paid. New one, telephone expenses paid for July 2013. So all these things you can see. Field is text. What are the fields that you change? That will come here. So in fact, that will not impact the accounting entry. This is only for the sake of security. Right. So like this, document, display and change. Next, I want to see my account. I want to see the ledger account. What are the, because we have created so many GL accounts and we have posted the entries, I want to see GL account. In case of manual system, what we do, we create, right, like T-shape account, right? And in SAP, I want to see this. Let us see. Go to account, FS10N, display balances. Double click on display balances. Whatever the account entry that you want to see, select that entry, that GL account, sorry. Here you can change by GL account, right, account number in company code. If you take that, then system automatically picks up the company code, right? GL account. 1 minute. Press enter. Whatever the GL account that are there, they will be visible. Right, equity share capital, preference share capital, retained earnings. I want to say equity share capital. I want to see. Execute. See, account number this much and equity share capital, company code DRLB, right? Business area so and so, it is displaying like this. Display currency INR, debit, credit, balance and cumulative balance.
But
right.
It is not showing the date on which the transaction.
No, just wait. So this is the balance, and here period 1, period 2, period 3, period 4, period 5, 6, 7, like this number of periods system is showing, and that is up to 16 periods it is showing. Now we have posted the accounting entries in period number 5. Whatever the entry that you want to see, you have to just double click on the amount. Now if you double click, you can see the accounting entries, right? Entry 1, entry 2 and document number 6, all these are all we have posted. 5 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 15 lakhs total. And if you remember, I told you that, I'll tell you later, creation of GL account, we have created GL accounts in T code FS00. In FS00, I told you that, see, 1 lakh 1, go to change your display mode. In control data, line item display, and this is 001. Now here, if you don't check that line item display, you can see only up to here. And if you double click, system says that sorry, I cannot show you. Line items cannot be displayed. But because we said that we want to see the line items, right, you are able to double click. You can see these line items. Line item display. If you check this, there only you can see line items can be displayed. And that these line items should be displayed in which way? That is date of documented date or posting date. Both will be same here because both are same in our case. What I told system, right, posting date I said, right, even here document date system is showing, posting date is not there. I want to have posting date here, right? Here there is a button, is called layout. Change layout means, the layout means this is the way how you are looking at the information. I want to change that layout. Here I want to have the posting date also. So here These are the columns which you are able to see now. I want to say posting date. Here see posting date is there. Select posting date, push towards your left. Then you have the posting date also.
Okay.
Enter. See now posting date has come. See posting date, document date both are same. Now we told system sort key. Sorting means arrangement, whether A to 10, 10 to A, or, sorry 1 to 10, 10 to 1, or A to Z, Z to A. In what way you want to arrange the line items? We told the system sorting of the line item should be by posting date wise. So that's why here posting date 23, 23, 27. So it is posting the entries chronologically. In that way it is showing us. Right. The purpose of these two is in the GL account. This is what I told you on that day. Right. And if you double click further, it will take you to the line item. After going to the line item, if you want to look at the total entry, I want to see both the line items. Just whenever you want to see, call up the document overview. Access bank account data to equity share capital. Just come back. Come out. Come out. Next, I want to see my cash account. Cash account, that is bank account. That is 2 lakhs 200 405 is my cash account or bank account, sorry. Right. Execute. See, credit, debit. See, this is in period 1. I have shown you example. When a period is open, I can post even in the month of April. When period is closed, we could be able to post here only. Now debit entry, yeah, in equity share capital, what are the amount that we have received? Debit bank account, credit equity share capital account. In that equity share capital account, you have seen credit. Now in the bank, debit. Those who are non-commerce, you have a great doubt here, very big doubt. And what Anand is saying that bank debit, when you receive the amount, how can you say debit? Because whenever you have your own bank account, right, you see if amount is given credit means we'll feel very happy because amount is received. But here in financial accounting, when you receive amount, I'm telling you to debit what comes in, because that is the accounting principle. Debit what comes in. See, you are looking at from your personal angle there. For banker, if it is he has debited our account means for him that is income. Means our account is debited, his income will be, his account is credited. For us, if our account is credited, we got credit. But you look at from the accounting point of view. Right, because of the fundamental, there are 3 basic principles. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Debit all expenses, credit all incomes. Right, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Like that, some fundamental principles are there. You can find these things in your accounting document, whatever I have forwarded to you, that PDF document. Right, you need to understand that. Right, now when coming to the debit, what are the amount that we have received? If you double click again on the debit column, right, you can see all the debit line items. Right, same way. And if you credit, if you click on this one, only credit line items can be seen. Credit line item means all payments. When you make payment, it will be credited. Right, 25, 35, 36, 800, 10,000. All these. Always credit items will be represented in the form of minus figure. Debit is plus. Total payments made 1,07,000. If you want to see both debit and credit, go to the balance, double click here. You can see now debit and credit line items. If you want to see any line item again, double click. Right, these are the entries. Come back. Right, and these are the things sorted out in the form of a document date. 23, 23, 27, 27. Again, see, this is with old date we have posted. At 23 date, that's why it has come. And if you want to have posting date or something, you can have.
It was sorted according to posting date.
Yeah,
But then it's
sorted.
not
Why
coming
it is
as a
coming
new
23?
order.
I just am looking, and yeah, here we have changed the. I think value date. Value date is 23 and date of posting 23. This is document number 4, 23.8 INR ledger group. I think there may be some. What is this account? Bank account. For bank account, control data tab, posting date. Yes, posting date only. 27. Only this entry came at the end. What is the reason? 28, 12. 23, 8.
Maybe the time of amendment will be later on.
Yeah, you're right. This is the document we made amendment. We changed it. Maybe because of that it is showing. See, this is the old this one, and only one line item we have changed.
Yeah, but the change is also not coming.
Yeah, change will come only for the other line item for where we have made the change. Change is Mr. Balaji.
Hello. Hi. Sorry, Devi Prasad with you.
Hello, is it Balaji?
Prasad with you.
Prasad.
Prasad
So you are from?
from Kuwait. Kuwait. Devi
Yeah,
Prasad.
yeah. Prasad Mirena. Okay, right.
Yeah, sorry, I was late. I was stuck in the traffic and I couldn't.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, I could see.
Same session, right? You're continuing?
Same session I'm continuing.
Devi Prasad session.
Yeah, same session, right?
Right. Hope you're recording, right? Not a
Yeah,
problem.
we
I
will
will take
continue.
that. You continue, please.
Okay, maybe 23.8. Okay, we need to check why it is not showing. Let me do one thing. Let me log off and log in again in the SAP system. Let's go to financial accounting, general ledger, account, FS10N. I'm looking at the bank account, company code, fiscal year 2013. Yeah, still it is showing here only. Debit 3, 4. Yeah, this is the document we have changed, right? But the thing is, it is showing the same one. See here in SAP, sometimes what happens, that in ECC6, I don't know the capacity of our servers. Sometimes it may happen that, okay, changes will be made in the backend tables. In fact, all the changes, the data is going to be stored in tables. Tables in sense backend, there will be some tables will be there, BKPF, BSEG like that, technically, right? The tables get updated bit lately because of the capacity of the servers, right? Let us wait and see afterwards there will be any change or no change or there or not. We'll see that later. Okay, right? But generally, but as I told you, it will be as per the what you call sorting should be as per the date. So but with 4 we have definitely we have changed it, maybe because today we have changed it, right? So that's why it is showing here. Maybe otherwise other documents are showing in a right way, only this is the document, right? It is showing like this, right? If
But
let
this
us
is
go
supposed
to
to be actually real time, right?
real time, it should be real time, no doubt. No, because of the efficiency of the server, if the server is bit slow, right, changes may be getting late, we don't know that,
Okay.
right? But anyway, we'll see.
So there will be some trigger which can compile all the delays and then generate the report.
Okay, anyway, we'll see. Only fourth document, everywhere fourth document is shown subsequently. This is the document where we made the changes.
Okay. So why can't we try that document number 5
See
and
here,
change it
here it is,
something and
see,
get us to
telephone
answer?
expenses, see, in this document, now it has made changes here. New changes, whatever made, that are being appeared here. And value date, okay, same of course, but only whatever the change date it is showing.
If we select the sort key according to document date wise, I think we can.
Yeah,
Since we
document date
selected
only. Ledger group. And if you see this one, display document header. If you see the document header, see changed on. So that's why it is showing today's date. Here, document date, posting date, period, right? Reference key, everything it is there, entry key, but changed on 29. So that's why I think that is being shown like that. That's what, there's the only reason I think. And now, of course, changes are made.
Okay.
Right, you see in the bank line item we have not changed, we have changed only in one line item. And if you see here, telephone expenses, here we have changed. Only one line item we have, both the line items we have not changed. In only one line item we have changed, that's why it is shown. And where we have seen earlier, now I understand that. See, if you go to bank account again, 20405, go there.
Okay, we are only looking at the bank.
Yeah, so here only bank line item we have seen. If you go to the overview, look at the telephone expenses account. So, so here it is showing.
There it is changed, yes.
Yeah. Right. If you see the here, you can see 29. So because of that, so it is showing, right?
Yeah.